Fetch AI is one of the AI coins that I believe is going to give us more than a 10x in this bull market. And on today's video, I will be discussing my long-term and also my short-term price prediction analysis, and also give you significant key areas of support that you need to continue holding. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video by first giving you my long-term price prediction analysis. Here on the daily chart, you can see that last year we got our bear market lows down there. And after getting the bear market lows, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that gave us a high above the 3.479, completing the formation of this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 1. And after we picked in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 1, I was expecting a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of a larger 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 2, whose minimum target areas I have highlighted here on the charts using this blue target area, an area that we have now fully maximized. And I came up with the area by connecting the fibs from the bear market lows to the high for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 1 in a move that gave me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, and that target area lies between the 1.85 and the 0.907, which is an area that we have now fully maximized and also continued to hold within. And there are high chances that we now have a low in place for that second wave, and in the next coming weeks or maybe days, we can start a very aggressive bounce to the upside in what I will be terming as the start of an impulsive 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low that we made last year, that is the bear market low, to the high for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 1, then dragging the fibs to the lows that we have at the moment in that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 2, giving me a minimum target area for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 3 at the fib level 1.618, which lies above the 5.982. And that means that in case we get a bounce from the current prices that we have at the moment to that minimum target area for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 3, then Fetch AI will have given us more than a 6x to the upper side. Then we can expect a bit of a short-term pullback in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 4 before we can continue gearing up even higher in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 5, where we can easily see a bounce to the $10 mark. And if that is the case, that will be more than a 10x to the upside. I also need to give you a significant key area on the Fibonacci's that we need to continue holding for that bounce to the upside to be valid. And connecting the fibs once again from the bear market lows to the high for that 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 1, the target area, the area that you need to continue holding is the fib level 0.88, which lies above the $0.6. And as long as you continue holding above this key area over here, then that massive bounce to the upside is still valid and we can still see that massive breakout move. But if by any chance we get further breakdown moves in the next coming hours, losing support on the fib level 0.88, then that will be suggesting a massive breakdown move here on the charts, where we can easily see a reset of the bear market lows in a move that can easily get us back below the $0.2 in the next coming days. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the Fetch AI chart on the long term. Jumping to the 1 hour chart to now give you my short-term price prediction analysis. On the 1 hour chart, I'm expecting a bounce in the next coming hours, basing my analysis on the 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 structures, where you can see that after a massive breakdown move on the 5th of August, we started a very nice bounce to the upside, obeying the 𝗕𝗲𝗃 structures, where we first peaked in this 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 1, then we saw a bit of a breakdown move in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 2, before we started another aggressive bounce to the upside in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃𝗃 count 3, which peaked over here. Then we started a bit of a pullback in an 𝗕𝗲𝗃 count 4, whose minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this blue target area we have now fully maximized. and there are high chances that we now have a low in place in that Elliott count 4, and in the next coming hours there are high chances that we are going to start another aggressive bounce to the upside, break through significant key areas of resistances in these Elliott count 5, and the minimum target area for that Elliott count 5 can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low that we made on the 5th of August to the high in that Elliott count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that Elliott count 3, giving me my first target area on the fib level 0.618 that lies above the 1.6108. And the moment we fully maximize that target area, there are high chances that we can continue seeing even higher prices to the fib level 1.618 that lies above the $1.84. So that is the price action that I'm expecting here on the fetch AI chart on the short term. And if by any chance we don't get that massive bounce in that Elliott count 5 in the next coming hours, we need to continue holding within this blue target area, because a break to the lower side of this blue target area will be invalidating this Elliott structure that I have here on the charts, suggesting a bit of a bearish move in the next coming hours. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.